Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Got 5 minutes to spare? What if I told you that's all you need for a killer bicep workout? Whether you're trying to build those arms for summer tanks or just want to get stronger, this quick dumbbell-only routine is perfect for you. Let's jump in. All you need are a pair of dumbbells, a little space, and some good vibes. No more excuses. All right, we're going to go through 5 simple moves. Each one targets your biceps while giving some love to your chest and arms too. Follow along, and by the end, your arms will thank you. Let's hit it. Hit that like button and subscribe for more quick workouts like this. 1. ZMan Curls, 40 seconds. This one's a combo move. The ZMan Curl works both the top and bottom of the biceps while also hitting the forearms. Curl up with palms facing upward. Then, rotate your palms downward on the way down. Keep the movement slow to feel the squeeze. Your arms should be on fire right now, but stay with me. You're almost done. 2. Dumbbell Fly, 40 seconds. Last one, folks. Dumbbell Fly will stretch and strengthen your chest while your biceps still get in on the action. Lie down with dumbbells extended above your chest. Slowly open your arms wide, keeping a slight bend in your elbows, and bring them back up. Don't let your elbows drop too low. Keep it controlled and smooth. 3. Chest press, 40 seconds. Time to hit the chest now. This chest press with dumbbells will also engage your triceps for that extra burn. Lie on the floor or a bench, holding dumbbells at chest level. Press them straight up until your arms are fully extended, then lower slowly. 4. Dumbbell curls, 40 seconds. We're starting with the classic move, dumbbell curls. This one's simple but effective. It focuses straight on those biceps. Hold a dumbbell in each hand, palms facing forward. Curl them up towards your shoulders and slowly lower back down. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick workouts like this. Got any questions or requests? Drop them in the comments below.